Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna try to do a recipe type vlog. It's gonna be Jamaican Jerk Chicken. I got this recipe from an old roommate of mine. We've been friends for a long time. He is of Jamaican descent and his mother is from Jamaica, and she's the one that gave me that recipe. So we're gonna do a smoked version of it, and let's get to it. So here are the ingredients that you need for the Jamaican Jerk Chicken. You need 2 stalks of green onion that I cut up, 1 Scotch Bonnet pepper. If you can't find it, Habanero will do. I actually used half a pepper because it's super spicy. 4 cloves of garlic. If you like garlic a lot, you can add more if you want to. I'm going to use 3/4 cups of olive oil. It's going to help you blend everything. Half a bunch of cilantro and half of a medium onion. And our spices are 3 tablespoons of Jamaican allspice, or otherwise called pimento, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of thyme. You're going to blend everything into a blender and it becomes a paste. I would also add salt to your taste to the paste before you put it on the chicken. And you're going to cut 1 whole chicken in half, and this makes it faster to cook. The paste recipe can do 2 chickens. You're going to season your chicken with salt and pepper as well, and then spread the marinade all over the chicken, and don't forget to put the marinade under the chicken skin. You're going to put your chicken into a Ziploc bag or a container and marinate it for at least 24 hours. So this is our grill. There's one side with no coals and half of the other side with coals. This is how you smoke on a Weber grill. I'm going to put the chicken on the side where there is no coals. I had extra marinade and I only bought 1 chicken, so I soaked some chicken tenders in the sauce. And today I'm going to be using cherry wood. I believe cherry wood goes really well with poultry and turkey. I pre-soaked it and used about 2.5 cups, and we're going to throw those over the coals. And this is the finished product. At 250 degrees. The internal temperature has to be 165 to be cooked, and it took about 3 hours. So here's the finished product of the Jamaican Jerk Chicken. It's a recipe that my good friend from a while back, we've been friends for a while, Terrence, he was in my Paco's Tacos video. He's actually Jamaican, and his mother gave me the recipe. And you try all those Jamaican Jerk Chicken marinades out there, and that it never tastes like what it's supposed to be. The only thing close to that, if you're interested and too lazy to make the marinade, is Walker's, and it's from Jamaica. You can get it off Amazon. It's a little bit more on the sour side though, more vinegar. I'm not too into vinegar, so I like that she gave me this recipe where you can adjust the vinegar to your taste. So the drink of the day before we start is a Founders All Day IPA, and it's a session ale. I got it from Tamora's. We'll give it a whirl. Never had it before. I don't know what drew me to it. I just picked it up. So there it is. Nice color. Very fruity. Notes of citrus. Very delicious. So let's dig in. Do the wing first. So that's the wing. And it looks burnt, but it's actually the pimento and the smoke that turns it very black, but it's not burnt at all. I know my marinade looks very light compared to the pre-packaged ones, and maybe some people that actually do it legit, but it turns dark after. So let's dig in. if I were to critique myself, I don't know if it got into the other parts, but I would probably put more wood in it. I did do 2 cups of wood chips, but I could probably use more smoke taste for my preference. But it's there. It's just very light. When you smoke with fruit woods, they're a little bit lighter than oak or mesquite or hickory. So if you want more of that smoke taste, you got to put more wood. Nice crunchy parts. I didn't put the whole habanero in there since we can't find Scotch Bonnet here in Hawaii. But it still kind of has a little kick. It's pretty moist too because you're not actually grilling it, so it's not dried out. And I don't know if you can see, it's pretty juicy. And remember, if you're looking for the pimento, in the US, it's the only thing I found is McCormick makes it. If you're not going to order it and you're just looking in the grocery store, it's advertised as Jamaican allspice. Otherwise, I guess you could probably find a website with legit pimento from Jamaica and order it that way. I don't know how to describe the taste, but it's super, it's not like Chinese allspice. It's just got just an unexplainable taste in a good way. And when you mix it with the cinnamon, it kind of complements the flavor. So it's a very unique type of food flavor. So when you're craving something different and it's not your everyday flavor, this is my go-to. Ooh, when I get to, I believe this is the thigh, it's pretty spicy, so it is spicy food, Jamaican food, because of the Scotch Bonnet, but like I said, couldn't find any here in Hawaii, so just found the next best thing is habanero. The thigh is really good. The breast does dry out because it is a dry meat, but this is an awesome part of the chicken thigh. So I'll pretty much keep this short. Just wanted to show you what it looked like when you're eating it. try it out if you're looking for something else to do and eat and explore new cuisines. Everybody else has their different way, especially if you're a true authentic Jamaican. I am not Jamaican, so I just used my friend's mother's recipe because their family's from Jamaica, and that opened a new world of flavor to me. So thank you, Terrence, for showing me your family recipe. I know that was years ago, but I kept it and constantly make it. And we've been so busy lately, but sometimes he comes over and has dinner, and I made him some Jamaican oxtails and jerk chicken, and he approves. So it was approved by a true, legit Jamaican, and I made some cocoa bread to go along with it, but I didn't have time today because I don't feel like baking. But usually this goes with the beans and rice, or they call it peas and rice, and you put it between some cocoa bread, which is this really delicious, soft Jamaican bread. So good. But try it out if you're looking for something different to do. Catch you on another episode of Food Fiend, and thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe and healthy. See you next time. Say hi, Penny. You like to eat food? Yeah?